In this video, I'll show you how to view expenses that have a receipt attached. This is a quick way to identify all those that are ready for reconciliation. Start by navigating to your expenses dashboard. Then, click to open the Filters tab. From here, open the Receipts drop-down and select With Receipts. To apply the filter, click Update. You'll now see only expenses that have receipts attached are showing. Click an expense to view more details. From here, you can review and update receipts, check or apply labels, read the cardholder's notes, or add your own.